In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional logic to Microsoft Forms. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser. This is where you will build and manage everything. If you see a sign-in prompt, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account so your work is saved to the cloud and easy to access later. Create your form by giving it a clear title and a short description so respondents know what to expect. Add a few initial questions to establish the structure. You can use choice, text, rating, date, and other types, but keep in mind that conditional logic works best when you have clear answer choices to branch from, like multiple choice or drop-downs. Before you set up any logic, build out all the questions and sections you think you'll need. This step is crucial because branching relies on destinations that already exist. If you add follow-up questions later, you'll end up reworking the logic. Consider organizing your form into sections to group related questions, like a general information section, a follow-up section for specific audiences, and a final confirmation section. Sections make it easier to skip entire blocks when responses don't apply, creating a smoother experience for your audience. When your structure is ready, open the question where you want branching to begin. Click the three-dot menu in the lower right corner of that question and choose Add Branching. This opens the branching settings for that question. Next, set where each answer should take the respondent. For every answer choice, use the drop-down to select the next question or section. For example, you might send yes to a detailed follow-up section and send no straight to the next relevant part of the form. You can also choose to jump to the end of the form when an answer means no further input is needed. As you work, double-check that there's a logical path for every choice, and confirm that your default or otherwise path still makes sense for respondents who pick something unexpected. When you're done configuring a question's logic, click the back button to save your changes and return to the form. Then select Preview at the top to test the flow. Walk through the form several times, choosing different answers to make sure respondents land exactly where they should. Test both desktop and mobile previews to confirm everything is readable and easy to navigate. If anything feels off, return to the branching settings and adjust the destinations until the flow is clear and efficient. That's it. Your Microsoft form now uses conditional logic to guide people through only the questions that matter to them.